Researchers estimate that there are between 2 to 3 million abandoned oil and gas wells in the United States, and more than 117,000 of those, across 27 states, are orphaned. That is, uncapped, unproductive, and with no responsible party identified to manage leakage or pollution risks. Our project will utilize these specialized autonomous modal AI Voxel 3 drones, equipped with an AI interface that allows them to conduct precise and efficient methane emissions surveys. Supporting these drones is this central vertiport structure, acting as a base of operations for the drone swarms. This structure will house and charge the drones as well as store collected emissions data. The drones will determine a preordained flight pattern based on weather information supplied from the weather station fixed atop the structure. Solar panels will supply the system with the power required to operate autonomously, both by supplying power to the drone charging system and by powering onboard electronics. This will enable off-grid continuous operation over long periods of time. The vertiport design also includes advanced capsules that protect drones during downtime and facilitate contact-based autonomous charging, ensuring continuous operational readiness. These capsules feature an expandable landing bases that, when coupled with the smart landing of the drone, enhance the alignment to the contact-based charging. The advanced charging system of the autonomous drone vertiport efficiently manages power from solar energy and backup batteries, ensuring continuous drone operations. This system utilizes renewable energy and autonomous technology to monitor methane emissions effectively, exemplifying the blend of engineering innovation in addressing critical climate issues.